The Google Pixel Watch 3. I'm going to show you how to attach the bands, okay? So very simple here. So if I go ahead and move this over here, you can see where it goes into, all right? And you also see like a little button right here. It's just on one side. There's a button there, and there's a button over here. So what we want to do to attach these is we want to go ahead and kind of cover that button with the rubber piece, okay? Not the metal piece. So just cover the button, this little button right here, and then kind of wiggle it until it's in like this, and then you can see a little bit of extra room down here. I'm going to slide it back. Oops. Let me do it again. And I hear like a little snap, and it's on. If I want to take it off, I'm going to press that little button, and I'm going to slide this towards the button, okay? So press the button and slide it towards it, just like that. Again, let's go ahead and attach this again. Just cover the button with the rubber piece on there, and then make sure it's nice and snug like that, and then I'm going to clamp it back. Let's go ahead and put it on the other side here. So I see the button right there. Let me go ahead and place that over the rubber part, not the metal part. Put it in just like that. You see a little extra room. I'm going to slide it back. Oops, slide it back. Boom, here a little snap. There you go.